In this video, I will be showing you the general overview of the technology in the classroom and the classroom capture controls to set up for a recording. When you arrive in the room, connect your laptop to the system using one of the provided cables. The HDMI cable to display, the Ethernet cable to ensure you have a solid internet connection if you have any online content, and the USB-A cable if you plan to use the keyboard and mouse on the lectern. The USB-A cable also gives you access to the camera and microphone for video conferencing on your personal device. When your device connects to the system, the displays in the room will automatically turn on and show your connected device. Note that if you bring a laptop that requires a USB-C connection, you may need an adapter. A microphone is very important to the recording so that everything you say will be captured. Microphones are located on the lectern in the charging station, or inside of the lectern drawer. Clip the microphone roughly 6 inches below your chin, directly onto your clothing. Ensure that scarves, hair, or jewelry will not cover, tap, or rub the microphone as you move around. Turn the microphone on by flipping the power switch located on the top of the microphone. You should see a green light indicating that the microphone is on. Check the battery meter located on the PAC LCD display to verify the battery is sufficiently charged. Here is the source page where you can select different sources as you need them. If you connected your device to the provided cables, you should see that source selected on the touch panel already. Below the list of sources, there is a Show Video button, which allows you to mute the source. This only mutes what is being displayed in the room and does not mute what is being recorded for classroom capture. Next to the Show Video button, there is an option to clear the source selection completely for that display. Note, when you're in a room that has multiple screens, only one screen will be included in the recording. This is indicated on the touch panel. If there is additional content being displayed, it will not be recorded. On the bottom of the page, we have controls for the volume level for the microphones, the selected source volume, and the recording status. In the center, you will see we are currently recording. The recording will start 2 minutes before the scheduled class time. Likewise, it will end 2 minutes after the class is scheduled to end. If you want to pause the recording, tap the pause button. Then tap the resume button to continue recording. You may do this to avoid recording anything that is unnecessary, like an exam or quiz. The camera tab allows you to control the cameras in the room and give you a preview of what the camera records. You can select different cameras in the room and adjust the angle by using the presets on the left or the manual controls on the right.